My child, before the sun rose this morning, before a single worry tried to whisper your name, I was already standing guard over you. I have not lost sight of you, not in your confusion, not in your waiting, not even in the moments you felt forgotten. My presence surrounds you like a fortress, a shield against the darkest hours. When trials press in and the weight feels unbearable, I am the light guiding you through. I am the steady hand steering your course toward victory. Do not mourn the passing years. Do not replay old regrets in your mind. Time has never been your enemy. Every season has carried hidden purpose. Each day you wake is a sacred gift, infused with my divine essence, flowing through your veins with meaning and power. With every breath, you draw in my spirit. With every step, I am shaping you for something eternal. What feels ordinary to you is preparation in my hands. Let go of the world's crushing burdens. You were never designed to carry them alone. As it is written in Matthew 11:28, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." Bring me your anxiety, your silent battles, your private disappointments. Lay them down. When you surrender your worries, you make room for my peace to rise within you. Your faith in me arms you with courage. It steadies your trembling heart and reminds you that victory does not depend on your strength, but on mine. I am the source of life, the giver of every good and perfect gift. As James 1:17 declares, every blessing flows from above. Your heartbeat echoes the rhythm of my love. Your path is not random, it is guided. Even when you cannot see the next turn, I am already there. Trust that I am your sustainer, providing what you need in every high and every valley. Now, pause for a moment. If this message is speaking directly to your heart, type, "I trust you." Subscribe so you don't miss what I'm about to do next in your life. And join this channel's membership to stand with others who are walking by faith. You are not alone on this journey. Dwell in the sanctuary of my love, where grace has no limit and compassion renews with every dawn. Do not let the frailty of your body or the opinions of others define you. In my presence, your spirit rises higher than fear. Whisper my name, Jesus, and remember Proverbs 18:10. The name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous run to it and are safe. There is power in calling on me. There is safety in staying near. Rejoice in me always. Joy is not denial of hardship. It is confidence in my nearness. When irritation tries to take root, choose gentleness. When circumstances feel heavy, remember, I do not change. Yesterday, today, and forever. My love remains constant. Rejoicing guards your heart from bitterness and keeps your spirit aligned with heaven. Come boldly to me, not only in crisis, but in every longing, every dream, every quiet hope you carry. As Philippians 4:6 reminds you, do not be anxious about anything, but bring everything to me in prayer. I see your needs before you speak them. Your whispered prayers rise like fragrance before me. None are wasted. I delight in your trust, especially when my timing stretches beyond your understanding. Patience in the waiting is proof that you believe my plans are good. I heard the prayer you whispered last night, the one soaked in tears. I saw the way you tried to be strong for everyone else, and this morning I poured fresh strength into your bones, new hope into your spirit. The sorrow that once pressed hard against you is loosening its grip. Joy is budding again, in your heart, in your home, in your future. I am restoring what was broken, reviving what felt lost. I have brought you this far not to abandon you, but to reveal that my power within you is greater than any mountain before you. No giant can stand when you move forward in faith. Take courage, keep walking. I am with you, and I always will be.